Epoxy flooring. Pros and cons you should consider before installation. Dear friends, epoxy flooring has become a popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces, known for its durability, glossy finish, and modern aesthetic. Whether you're looking to upgrade your garage, basement, or commercial workspace, epoxy flooring can offer several benefits, but it's essential to weigh the potential drawbacks as well. In this video, we'll walk you through the pros and cons of epoxy flooring to help you make an informed decision before committing to this installation. The pros of epoxy flooring. 1. Durability and longevity. Epoxy flooring is incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear, making it an excellent choice for high-traffic areas. Once applied, it creates a hard, seamless surface that can withstand heavy machinery, frequent foot traffic, and even chemical spills. Properly installed and maintained, epoxy floors can last for several years without needing major repairs. 2. Easy to clean and maintain. Thanks to its seamless finish, epoxy flooring is easy to clean. Dirt, dust, and debris can be easily swept or vacuumed away, and the surface resists stains and moisture. This makes epoxy ideal for garages, basements, kitchens, and commercial spaces where cleanliness is crucial. 3. Aesthetic appeal. One of the most appealing aspects of epoxy flooring is its shiny, polished look. Available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and patterns, epoxy can be customized to match your interior design. Whether you want a sleek, modern look or something more decorative, epoxy flooring can elevate the aesthetic of any space. 4. Chemical resistance. Epoxy flooring is highly resistant to chemicals, which makes it a great choice for industrial and commercial environments where spills of corrosive substances are everyday. Its resistance to oils, solvents, and other harsh chemicals also makes it suitable for garages and workshops. 5. Affordability. Compared to other flooring options like hardwood, tile, or polished concrete, epoxy flooring is relatively affordable. Its long lifespan and low maintenance costs make it a cost-effective solution for both residential and commercial projects. 6. Safety features. Epoxy flooring can be customized with non-slip additives, making it a safer option for environments where slipping may be a concern, such as kitchens, garages, or workplaces with frequent spills. Additionally, epoxy's reflective properties can improve lighting in a space, enhancing visibility and safety. The cons of epoxy flooring. 1. Challenging installation process. While epoxy flooring has many benefits, the installation process can be both tricky and time-consuming. It requires precise surface preparation, including thorough cleaning, etching, and priming. If these steps are not followed correctly, the epoxy may not adhere properly, leading to cracking or peeling over time. 2. Temporary fumes and odors. During installation, epoxy emits strong fumes that can be harmful if inhaled. Adequate ventilation is crucial to avoid health risks. While these fumes dissipate once the epoxy cures, the smell can linger for a few days, which can be inconvenient for those with sensitive noses. 3. Cold and hard surface. Epoxy floors are not known for their comfort. They can feel cold and hard underfoot, which may not be ideal for living spaces where comfort is a priority. Unlike softer flooring options like carpet or vinyl, epoxy provides minimal cushioning, making it less suitable for areas where people stand or walk for extended periods. 4. Potential for slippery surfaces. While epoxy flooring can be made slip-resistant with additives, its high-gloss finish can be slippery when wet, especially if the non-slip additives are not included. This could pose a safety risk in areas prone to spills, especially in homes with young children or elderly individuals. 5. Prone to cracking. Although epoxy is durable, it's not immune to damage. If the concrete beneath the epoxy shifts or cracks, the epoxy may also crack. Temperature changes, especially in environments with extreme fluctuations, can also cause the epoxy to expand or contract, potentially leading to cracks or other damage over time. 6. UV sensitivity. Epoxy floors can yellow or discolor when exposed to direct sunlight over time. This makes it less suitable for outdoor spaces or areas with abundant natural light. If you're considering epoxy flooring, weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs. For spaces like garages, basements, and industrial environments, the benefits of epoxy flooring often outweigh the drawbacks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel. How to make my house.